Hey, this is the last breakfast recipe from the 5-ingredient anti-inflammatory cookbook. Cocoa Berry Seed Oatmeal. Cocoa, berries, seeds, oats. Sounds simple, tastes better than it sounds. Let's make it. So let's start with a pot. I will use unsweetened almond milk. We will need here 2 cups. One and 2. And now put almond milk to the heat. I would say a little bit higher than medium, and just bring the almond milk to a boil, and then we will add our oats. Okay, now it's boiling. So we will take our oats, bring it to the pan. At that point add some cinnamon, just a little bit for the flavor. Stir it carefully. And now reduce the heat, and we need to cook it, stirring occasionally for maybe 5 minutes or until the oats are tender and most of the liquid is absorbed. So let's wait a little bit. Now it's closer to this what we are looking for, but still there is too much liquid here, so we need to wait a little bit more. So it looks okay for me. There are still some liquids at the bottom, but to be honest, this will absorb a little bit later, so we just need to turn it off and let's serve it. Let's take a bowl. Nice and soft oats, so on that put a couple of spoons here, maybe one more. Some raspberries, and let's put some on top. And one more. Here also I suggest to crush some chocolate. We just need a just good knife for this. Do some crushed here. Okay, and let's add some pumpkin seeds. Okay, looks nice. Yeah, as usual, you can add here any other berries that you have, maybe some cherries, maybe some blueberries, whatever berries you have. And also, if you like the more richer dark chocolate taste, you can put some chocolate while you're boiling your oats. So it will melt and will bring the more dark chocolate flavor to these oats. So let's take a bite here. To be honest, I like the combination of raspberries and dark chocolate. It's very rich and acidic at the same time, so I like the flavor. Yeah. This is pretty easy recipe and very tasty for your breakfast though. Thank you and see you in the next videos.